There's a man in Ohio who rents out portable toilets, and last year he out-earned most surgeons. Nobody asks him what he does at dinner parties twice. Nobody follows him on Instagram. And that's exactly why it works. Because while everyone you know is fighting over the same 5 glamorous careers, there's a whole category of businesses so boring, so unsexy, so completely invisible, that the people who run them quietly become millionaires without anyone noticing. Today, I'll show you 15 of them, and the one pattern they all share. Because once you see the pattern, you'll start spotting these hiding in plain sight everywhere you go. Let me be honest with you first. I'm not handing you 15 lottery tickets. Some of these need real money to start. All of them need real work, and none of them will make you rich by Friday. What they have instead is something better: math that actually works. Boring businesses survive because nobody wants to compete with them. The glamorous stuff, the app, the brand, the studio, attracts 1,000 hungry competitors. A laundromat attracts almost none. Remember that word, competition, because it's the invisible force behind every single thing on this list. Number 1. Laundromats. Machines that turn quarters into a business with no employees, no inventory, and customers who literally do the work themselves. People need clean clothes in good times and bad. It's about as recession-proof as money gets. Number 2. Vending machines. One machine is a toy. 40 machines is a route, and a route is a business you service one day a week. The soda inside costs a fraction of what it sells for, and the machine never calls in sick. Number 3. Self-storage. 4 walls, a roll-up door, and a padlock. No plumbing, no tenants living inside, no midnight phone calls. People fill a unit, set up auto-pay, and then, this is the beautiful part, they forget about it, sometimes for years. You're being paid monthly for holding boxes nobody looks at. Number 4. Car washes. Water, soap, and a location. The express model runs on memberships now, unlimited washes for a monthly fee, which means predictable income whether it rains or not. And here's the pattern already forming: machines and property doing the work, humans barely required. But the next one is the one nobody at a dinner party will ever brag about, and it might be the best margin on this list. Number 5. Porta-potty rental. The man from the beginning. Construction sites, festivals, outdoor weddings, they're legally and practically required to have them. You buy the units once, rent them endlessly, and your only real job is cleaning and delivery. Almost zero competition, because almost nobody can get past the smell of the idea. That squeamishness is the moat. Number 6. Dumpster rental. Same exact logic, bigger steel. Renovations and roof jobs can't legally throw debris in the street. A dumpster is a metal box you drop off and pick up. The box does the work, you do the driving. Number 7. Parking lots. Possibly the purest business ever invented. A rectangle of asphalt that charges by the hour. No product, no staff on site, barely any maintenance. Land that pays you while it sits there. Number 8. ATM routes. You place the machine, you stock it with cash, and every withdrawal pays you a fee. It's vending machines, except the product is money itself. Number 9. And this is the one where the numbers get genuinely stupid. Mobile home parks. You often don't rent out the homes, you rent the land underneath them. The residents own their homes, maintain their homes, repair their own roofs, and pay you monthly for the dirt. Moving a mobile home is so expensive that almost nobody ever leaves. It's the stickiest customer base in real estate, on the lowest maintenance asset in real estate. This is why some of the most sophisticated investors in the country have been quietly buying these parks for years while everyone else chases condos. Number 10. Pressure washing. The cheapest entry on this list: a machine and a truck. Driveways, storefronts, fleets. The before and after photo sells the next job for you. And stay with me through these last 5, because the finale is the one business on this list with a customer guarantee no other industry on earth can match. Number 11. Commercial cleaning. Offices need cleaning 5 nights a week, every week, forever. It's contract income. The same buildings, the same invoices, repeating monthly like a subscription you sell once. Number 12. Pest control. Nobody Googles reviews for fun at 2 a.m. unless something is crawling in their kitchen. Urgent problem, recurring treatments, customers who never want to think about it again, so they auto-renew for years. Number 13. Billboard leasing. You lease a small patch of land by a highway, put up a structure once, and businesses pay you monthly to hang their message on it. It's a parking lot turned vertical. Number 14. Sand and gravel supply. Every road, every foundation, every construction project on Earth starts with aggregate. It is the least glamorous product imaginable, and civilization cannot function without it. Boring by the ton. And number 15. Funeral homes. I know, but listen to the math. Demand is guaranteed, constant, and never goes out of style. Families don't comparison shop in grief. They go to the established name in town. Which is why these businesses stay in families for 3 generations and quietly mint wealth the entire time. Now, step back and look at the whole board, because I promised you the pattern, and here it is. Not one of these businesses is an idea. There's no invention, no disruption, no genius required. Every single one is a need: cleaning, storage, parking, waste, death, that repeats on a schedule forever. And every single one is protected not by patents or technology, but by boredom itself. The businesses are unsexy, so ambitious people ignore them. The competition stays thin. The margins stay fat. Glamour, it turns out, is expensive. It's the tax you pay to look impressive at dinner. Boredom is the discount. The people who get rich quietly are the ones who figured out that the market pays you more for solving unglamorous problems precisely because nobody else wants to. So here's the one thing to take with you. This week, as you drive around, actually look at the boring buildings you've ignored your whole life. The storage units, the car wash, the laundromat, the lot full of dumpsters. Someone owns every one of them, and someone is being paid this month on all of them, while you and everyone you know were taught to look right past them. The opportunity was never hidden, it was just dressed badly. If this changed the way you'll look out your car window this week, subscribe, because next I'll show you the exact math of how one of these boring machines turns into $1 million, number by number, on the board. I'll see you there.